Hello everyone, welcome to FITerala.
Ardha Matsyendrasana. From a long sitting position, bend your left leg and place your left foot outside of your right hip and place your right foot outside of your left thigh. Now place your right hand behind, keeping your back straight. Bring your left arm outside of your right leg and place your left hand on the floor. Now turn your head and look back. Stay in this final posture for a few seconds. Breathe normal and return back in the reverse order. This is a very good seated spinal twisting pose. This pose energizes and stretches the spine, also increases the flexibility in your spine and hips. Let me perform the same asana once more from a front view. Throughout the asana, keep your back straight. We often tend to do mistake by putting weight on our backhand. So while performing this asana, see that you don't put your body weight on your backhand. Instead, just use that hand as a support to keep your back straight. Also, do not put too much pressure on your neck. Turn your head back only up to your maximum. This asana is a very good chest opener, tones and massages your abdomen area. Let's do once more on the other side. This time bend your right leg and place your right foot outside of your left butt. Place your left foot outside of your right thigh. Take your left hand behind and place it on the floor. Bring your right arm around your left leg. You can even place your right hand on the floor as we did before. Turn your head and look back. Have couple of normal breaths here. Now slowly come back in the reverse order. Turn your head front. Bring the hands to the sides. Extend your legs and relax. Now let me show you a variation, a more simpler version of Ardha Matsyendrasana. This asana is also called as Vakrasana. This can be performed as a preparatory posture to Ardha Matsyendrasana. So beginners, those who are having difficulty performing Ardha Matsyendrasana can always start with Vakrasana. From a long seated position, bend your right leg and place your right foot on the inside of your left leg. Place your right hand behind. With your left arm, hold your right knee and turn your head and look back through your right side. Come back in the reverse order. Now let's perform the same movement on the other side. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale and turn back, look back. Take a couple of breaths in the final posture. Come back in the reverse order and relax.
I hope you liked this video. See you all soon. Bye-bye.